going on, YouTubers? Did a little bit to the truck over the weekend. Leveled it out. Finally put my leveling kit on. And found some used 35 1250 mud grapplers. Front's probably got about quarter to half tread, and back's got quarter to half tread. Got a great deal on them though. I don't know. Ain't bad. They'll do good for now. Just got stock exhaust on it right now. Ordered a new one the other day. It should come in probably tomorrow or the next day. I just figured I'd do a little cold start for y'all. But I like the leveling kit. And the mud grapplers, dude. Things are loud. She ain't been started today. Yeah, it's like 40 degrees out maybe. If that. Mud pit right there, man. Yeah, just ordered the MBRP 4-inch turbo back straight pipe exhaust. Hopefully it makes it sound a lot better. And she's still got a problem, and I still can't figure it out. Not really sure. Kind of think it's the ICP, but not 100% sure. It still likes to surge and do rough idles random times whenever it feels like it. But I like the leveling kit. Oh, it was a bitch to put on though. Fucking. Sorry, I'm not the best cameraman. But I have a different video probably later on in the week or next week of the new exhaust.